All right, here we go. One box of 2013 Topps UFC Bloodlines for elwaybalmorez. Muchas gracias. Buena suerte. Just like Lionel Richie, right? All right, let's see. Is this the one? That is not the one. All right, let's give me 1 second. Nope, wrong one again. Nope. I don't know why it doesn't do it for me. You'll be okay with the GSP? I hope we pull you a GSP. There we go. Good luck. Come on, GSP. This would be the first box ever I open without a coin in it. Yeah, no coin. What the hell? That is odd. Mark Munoz. Oh, that's right. I gotta get you your Mark Munoz glove. No Mark. No coin. Here we go. First, got a Sean Jordan out of 188. Chris Weidman. Insert. And our first autograph is Yoel Romero. First autograph. First autograph. First autograph. Yoel Romero. Yep, rookie card. Is it Warrior of God? Soldier of God? I can't remember for the life of me. Yeah, Anderson Silva and Brad Pickett. All of them are stamped, numbered. This could possibly be a relic. Looks like it is a relic or a relic autograph. Rory McDonald out of 188. Chris Weidman again. Bloodlines. And our hit is the Natural Born Killer, Carlos Condit. I don't know. I hope so. We'll see. It's first time. 61 of 223. Carlos Condit. We got two base cards here. Scott Jorgensen and Phil Davis. Not numbered. Notorious. Another hit here. First off, we've got Jesus. Pascal Cross out of Germany. Oh, Pascal Cross. You got a Bloodlines insert. Conor McGregor. All right, we just need to pull his autograph right now. And our hit is, oh, doesn't even look like there's a card in there. There's a matte relic of Gilbert El Nino Melendez. Gilbert El Nino. That is numbered 31 of 108. El Nino. Giovanni and Ronda Rousey putting an armbar on. Not stamped on those. Alright, so we've got two autographs, two relics. I mean, one relic. No email notification. Let's see. Hopefully, no coin equals better card, better hits. Oh, out of 25. Oh, Ruby. Adlan Amagov. Ruby out of Russia. Armbar will never work. No, no, no. Glover Teixeira. And Pat Healy. Rookie auto. Pat Healy. Not numbered on Pat Healy. Keep track of what we hit. We got Stipe Miocic and Alistair PED Overeem. None of the two are numbered. Should be a relic here. Alright, what do we got? Coming out the back. Another black one? Oh no, first black one. Khabib Nurmagomedov. 25 or 22 of 25. 22, very nice. Not his rookie though. Sucks. Then we've got insert Lyoto El Dragon Machida. And the immortal Matt Brown. The immortal. 169 of 249 on the immortal. That's 4 autographs. Dan Henderson and Mike Rio. Base cards. One relic. What's happening? See another autograph. We'll wait till the end. Autograph. Nope, not an autograph. All right, we got Gustafsson out of 188. A Bloodlines insert. Khabib Nurmagomedov. Yeah, free inscription. And Sarah McMahon. Relic. 7 of 188. Sarah McMahon. Joseph Benavidez, Stefan Struve. Not numbered on those. Next. Nope. All right. So we got Dan Henderson, H-Bomb. Alexander Gustafsson. Inserts. And a Jumbo, Eddie Wineland. Jumbo relic. Ever Twitter autograph? Nice. Eddie Wineland. Maybe this will be better. Better lighting there? Yeah. Better lighting? Eddie Wineland. That is numbered 72 of 88. Got 2 base. CR and Adlan. Not numbered. Autographed. Not autographed. Jimmy Manua. Insert 188. Lyoto Machida, black border, number to 88. 67 of 88. Oh, very nice. Rory McDonald, look at that relic. Rory. It's numbered 198. 189 of 198. No, it's his it's a fighter relic. You'll see right there. Yeah, relic card of. It's a relic card of as opposed to Jumbo Fight Mat relic. Nice. And then Rafael Asuncao and Joe Luazen, not numbered bases. Okay, let's see if we can figure out which one is which. Oh, maybe there's a redemption on one of these. Oh, that would be so sick. That might feel like it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Hopefully a nice sick autograph, man. We got international mail in there. I think we got an extra autograph. Oh, I think we got an extra autograph. Let's see. We got Chael Sonnen, the American Gangster, number to 188. Uriah Faber insert. Police chopper. And we've got Kelvin Gastelum, first autograph. Is it too bright? Or you said because it's round? Kelvin Gastelum, not numbered autograph. First rookie autograph. 3 rookie autographs in that case, huh? And in that box, 3 rookie autographs. All right, let's see what this pack is all about, man, because we got no coins. So we'll see. We got Michael McDonald, Cub Swanson, and let's see what this is about. Here we go. Dual autograph. Uh-oh. Let's see. Dual autograph. Let's see what this is. That looks like Carlos Condit at the bottom, right? Yep. Johnny Hendricks and Carlos Condit, dual autograph. Nice. Number 13 of 15. 13 of 15. Johnny Hendricks, Carlos Condit. Commemorating the fight that took place. They fought each other, said that I'm on a dual autograph. Better than the coin. Definitely better than the coin. Nice. And the 2 base cards not numbered. Cool. Thank you, Elway. Much appreciated.